Let's see how to create an approval process in Zoho CRM. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. On the top right, click the Setup icon. Now, under the Process Management section, click on Approval Processes. The Approval Process page will open. Here, click Add Approval Process. A new page appears. This is where you set up everything. You'll see options like module, name, description, and when to execute. Choose the module for which you want to create the approval, for example, leads, deals, or contacts. Then, give your process a name, add a short description, and set when this process should be triggered. Next, click Add to this process, and you'll move to the main setup screen. Here, you'll configure your approval in 6 steps. 1. Rule criteria. Define the condition when this approval should start. 2. Who should approve? Select the user or role responsible for approving. If you want to assign a task along with this, create one here. 3. Action upon approval. Decide what happens when the record is approved. 4. Action upon rejection. Set what should occur if the record is rejected. 5. Record modification. A. While waiting for approval. B. When record is in rejected state. 6. Process admin settings. Set who can manage and override this process. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your approval process is now created in Zoho CRM. If you ever need to deactivate a rule, just change its status. And to delete a process, click the Delete icon next to its name. Simple, structured, and efficient. That's how you create an approval process in Zoho CRM like a pro. Have an idea or vision in mind? Share it with us, and we'll help turn it into a clear workflow with actionable next steps. DM us or comment below to get started. We will provide this in 1 hour.